on, peoples? It's your favorite nighttime dasher again. Your buddy Devious Dasher here. And thank you to all the new subs. We're rolling about like 10 or 15 new people here. Try to get out a couple a week for you guys. Been having some issues with the stupid program again. Had the video done for a couple days, but I cannot get it out. I'm rendering it on the other phone right now. Keeps leaving a screenshot up or error, or it's a long one, and I think that's the issue. When I get over like an hour doing this on a phone program and stuff, just not loving it. So anyways, we got our first order. 750, 2.2 miles. It's a Safeway, a shopping order, just like, I always get. And we're just about pulling in here. So we'll have some single camera angles here for a while because, like I said, the other phone's busy. Got it plugged in. And now me and Chuck are buddies. I mean, we've been buddies, but I got my buddy pass. So at least I'll get good parking now. But yeah, waiting on that for a while. So we won't have to worry about getting a parking spot or walking through the rain anymore. My middle-aged crippled ass is gonna go get this order. Yeah, hey, we've got light up here now too. Look at that. Yeah, there's the things rendering. It literally takes like 45 minutes to an hour. This one, yeah, about an hour. I've done it like 5-6 times already, and it keeps airing out on me. So annoying. Also kills the phone battery too, so just equipment issues. Once we grow here a little bit, I should have enough phones to do it between, but this is a cheapie, and then this one's so old, I wouldn't even dare try to do it on this one. But our typical Washington rainy day. Looks like prom. Okay, what the fuck are we getting? Old phone and cheap phone edition. Vegetable oil and salsa. I think the oils are on this one. I don't know that the quality will be superb on this, guys, but it'll work for a little while. Vegetable oil, 24 ounce. Vegetable, that's 48. Vegetable, 24. And I got this salsa I have never seen before, so I have no idea where it is. I assume it's over here in the fresh shit, but I don't know. See, our major problem is there's no aisle number on this. I have never seen this product ever. So I'm thinking it might be over in the deli. I'm not seeing it. Oh, we got dips over here. Oh, here we go. Oh, there's the brand. Okay. We need medium right there. I'll be damned.
$2.99. If you have your club card, please scan it now. $4.99.
Okay, 1.35 minutes. This is paid $7.50, by the way. I don't know if I ever even mentioned that. I had a really bad headache yesterday. I've had migraine actually, and then kind of today a little bit, so not feeling too hot. Not sick like that, just, old person sick. But Let's go get this groceries dropped off. And it's Friday night, so the store was a absolute shit show. Friday at just before 6 or around 6 o'clock, yeah. Be lucky to get turned onto this road. Matter of fact, I might even go the other way because I don't think I can even get out. I think these are it. It's one of these duplexes. Let me see. There's the address. Okay, well, actually, way over here. Okay, this phone's easier to hold. It's a lot smaller. The other car is way over there. Well, not way, but too far. Okay, finally loaded. I freaking clicked it back by the thing, so it literally took like 2 minutes to load. Took a picture with just the regular camera, so I didn't have to stand out in the rain. Come on, here we go. Can't reach it with my thumb. Go. Let's see what we get paid here. No tip, I'm assuming. Oh no, $1. Well, at least 1 ounce of effort. Over here by Robin, been waiting about 10 minutes. Got a $2 Pizza Hut. No thanks. Bastard's still going. It's 6:30. It's not even. It's about 3/4. I started this at 5:15. So what? An hour and 15 minutes. I'm so used to that program, though. I can, do stuff with it really well. So I'm really hesitant to change. Probably shouldn't be making hour and something long videos, anyways. But you guys like them. When I made the short ones, everybody got mad. Well, not mad, but I got a $5, and I actually remembered to take the screenshot this time for Burger King. It's only a 0.7, so there's a tip on there, I'm assuming. It's literally going like a road behind here. So, the only problem with I hate doing that is what am I missing while I'm taking that is what kind of sucks, but who knows? I mean, maybe they'll add on. It's a hell of an order for such a short mileage. I never get short mileage ones here. Usually if they're low pay and high miles, not okay or low pay and low miles. Burger King. Home of the Whopper. Oh, that's nice here. I gotta park right up front. Because here the parking spots suck. But not for us cripples. For Jay. One for Jay. I got Jay, DoorDash. Red pajama pants and a camo with a flannel undershirt. Hey, it's comfortable, right? Well, if we could get onto this road, which is Knob Hill, but we just, for all purposes, we'll call it the freeway between 4 and 7 o'clock, because might as well be. We got 0.4, 1 minute, Big long drive. Got Grubhub and Uber on. I had some kind of shop order for Uber come up, but it was like $6 and it was down in the ghetto, so didn't take it obviously. But yeah, that's real smart. Fucking idiot. I missed the turn, so we're going in a big circle. Well, like a half a mile. I just doubled the mileage. No! Should be one of these here. This one here. Oh shit. That side door. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. This is the stupid turn I missed. I came right across this road right here. Oh shit, missed it. Got a Uber for the kebab, Zuli, whatever they want to go by. And 602 for like 1.7. It's in the same place, so I'll keep doing these $5-6 couple mile. Even the Safeway was 7 something, and it was only 2 miles or so. This is great, especially on my low mileage beast here that likes to drink gas like it's going out of style. We're here. Hello. Yeah, Bailey P. Uber.
Already crayon.
Perfect, thank you. You too. Oh, it's so nice to have that light right there. So we got 1 mile, 2 minutes to drop this off. Bailey sounds familiar, so I think I've delivered to her before. And then while I was pulling in there, I got a Grubhub for $13 for Popeyes, 5.6 miles. I was like, I don't love Popeyes, but $13, over $2 a mile, yeah, okay, I'll take that. Risk it for the biscuit. Holy shit. This car's coming. You can probably see him behind me. Gotta go. Get out of that intersection, or get on this freeway, or wannabe freeway. Okay. So these are some duplexy places, and we need to turn around here. I think these places, they go for rent sometimes, and this was like a couple years ago. And I think these are like $1,800 a month or something, and this was 2-3 years ago. I don't know how people afford $2,000 a month on a townhouse. It's not even like super fancy. Okie dokie. A little snow left, Deborah. Not much melted. Thank you. Okay, the countdown. Look, it's almost done. 7:02. I started that at 5:15. Hour and 45 minutes. Oh, wow, just finished it. Right when I did that. So we got to get back over to Robin area, which is like a mile. Ooh, I forgot I had DoorDash pause. I don't want to lose my shift there. Still got 20 minutes. Let's go get the Grubhub. Cool. They give us time on that one because It was 7:05 they gave us to get there, and it was like 6:55 when we were picking up the kebab house. Obviously, it gave them a little time to make it, and perfect because it gave me time to deliver that. So we're doing all right here, especially for a Friday. Friday nights traditionally aren't that great because in my town it's a lot of Monday through Friday people for work, and they like to go out on Fridays and go eat. But it's still a little bit increased. You know, it really varies. Sometimes it's really busy and sometimes it's not. It's just hit or miss. Today's rainy, so who knows? Like I said before, I've tried to figure it out, and let me tell you, for multi-apping and stuff for over 3 years and DoorDashing for 4, there's no rhyme or reason. Don't even waste your time. If you try to figure it out, now you can figure out days that might work better for you in your town, but if you try to really pinpoint it, you're just not. I mean, you use whatever you got in your, you know, your Gridwise, or that's what I use, but or whatever program you use to track or whatever, or if you write it down. But besides that, don't even waste your time. Because you could go out on the slowest day of the week and make the most money. It just depends on the person ordering, and with the saturation now, you have no way of knowing how many people are out, and it's just, there's too many factors. Oh my Popeyes. And this is why I don't come here. Getting an Uber. I'll check and see if it's done, but holy shit, man. Oh yeah, it ain't done. Look at that. You already got dashers in there, or drivers, 2 of them. All right, unreleased episode right here. So I gotta go through here and check and see real quick because it started happening, and see the screenshots. You guys already see this by the time this comes out, obviously. Because if this one's good, when I get back tonight, I can try to upload it. Sometimes it takes 20 minutes. Sometimes it takes, 10 hours. I've had one take like almost 24 hours to upload. I don't know that it's the internet, though, too. I think it's YouTube sometimes. Who knows? See, I'm trying to see if those stick, when I see the little pop-up there. Obviously, sometimes what's been happening is that'll stay up, and it'll stay up the whole fucking video. That same one, So far, so good. 20 minutes in. And the problem with that is then obviously I got a screenshot next to me that makes no fucking sense. And then it covers the other ones. Okay. So far, good. I lowered the quality down, so it may not be 4K, which, I don't think anybody's, waiting for my videos to be 4K, but as long as it got it out of there. I guess you guys already see it by then, so if you didn't, go back and watch it. Hey, we're good. Finally, it worked. The 6th fucking time. Okay, got one for James. I haven't been helped either. But...
Yeah, it's just the...
Yeah, and so is mine.
Okay, what was the order?
It's a Grubhub for James.
For James, huh?
Wow, that girl was fucked up. I'm not gonna say because I don't want a debate war on here what I know what that was, but let's just say I got ignored and somebody else got helped at Popeyes. And then Miss Smartass, oh, that was a DoorDash. She tried to cover it up. Yeah, and I said, oh, well, good, because mine's a Grubhub. And it was sitting there the whole time. She ignored me. So I think we can do this Uber. I'm going to pick it up where I just pulled in here. And it's going like a mile that way. So I'm going to go do that and then just make a loop and then deliver the Popeyes. Because it's out that straight that way. Which won't make any sense to you, but it's close enough where I can dirty stack. So we're dirty stacking. Gonna catch me riding dirty. I don't even know if I should have told you guys the offer.
Yeah, you're gonna be cool too, and you're gonna get
Right there.
Milkshakes in there.
Excuse me.
So the Uber, which I don't know if I even, like I said when I was going in, I don't know if I even went over with you guys. It was $8.31 for a mile and a half. And we're in the same parking lot, so it's literally a mile and a half to the customer. And I guess if I did already do it, then I'm doubling down, I suppose. And then we're gonna pick up on that Grubhub. And then we'll just, like I said, we'll do a loop and call it good. The Grubhub, but we're leaving, navigate. It's giving me 6 minutes to drop it off. It's fucking more than 6 minutes, even if I went right there. Come on, load, bitch. 12 minutes drive. Luckily with Grubhub, as far as I know, I've never been like super late with them. I don't think there's like a time. I mean, if you were like 20 minutes past or something, but I just marked it picked up. I literally just got it like 2 minutes ago. Since, you know, I got ignored at Popeyes, which is another reason why I don't like going there. These are some nice 3-story townhouse condo thingy mabobber. We need number 12. It's probably one of the last ones here on the left. All right, this is our Red Robin. Drinks, milky shake, and a lemonade. Thank you. Appreciate it. this guy. Yeah, he tips really good. He usually orders McDonald's from down the street. I feel bad because it took so long, but 5 minutes of it's my fault. The rest is Popeyes. All right. James, appreciate it. Sorry, Popeyes was a cluster and a half. Just to check the money and everything, if our Ubers come back, looks like we're sitting about 2 hours right now, in that range, 2:15, something like that. And then we're at $40. It's about 20 an hour, which isn't halfway bad, especially, you know, for Friday, which is one of the slower days, and for me, because if you notice, most of the time I seem to always be about 16 to 18 or lower. But we've got the hour of shame, between 8 and 9, which is usually pretty dead. But you never know. One decent order keep you floating. So we're kind of on the edge of town, and we're gonna head back in towards Red Robin drinking game. Everybody take a shot. Every time Devious says Red Robin. Should I refer to myself in the third person? Should I go by Josh or call myself Devious? Put it in the comments. What do you think? Or you could get Joshua, which I won't even remember because technically my name, but we don't ever go by that, obviously. I can't wait to see the comments on that one. I was getting a little worried, got all the way back over here, well, about 10 minutes. Didn't get any offers, and then right when I got close, Safeway for $11, 1.9. Car was about to turn in my spot. $11, 1.9, 7 items. There is 2 cases of water on there, but as far as I can tell, it's not going to an apartment. I don't think there's apartments there, but I suppose I can look when I go into the order here, but oh well, 2 cases of water is what it is. Pretty good order for the mileage, money-wise. Get another Devious shop to go in. Okay, well, damn. I lost my Gimp pass, fell. I thought I lost it already, but wondered it fell under the seat somehow. So I was over there getting it, and I heard the beep, and I'm like, what the hell? No, I'm not getting an add-on. Yeah, I did. So another Safeway, $15.50, 1.1 miles. 12 items though, it's quite a bit of items. And the thing that sucks about this one is the alcohol. But I think I already hit start shopping, or it went in there automatically. So it's just cases of beers. I don't think it's hard alcohol. But either way, yeah. What's a $26.50 for these 2? Okay, and about 20 items. It's more than $1 an item. Hell yeah, I'll do that. Especially in the slow hour. Perfect. Go to prom. Alright. Already hit it somehow. What the hell's on here? Oh, it's a piece of ice. Okay, so we got alcohol, cans, 2 cases of water, jug of water, Snapple, ice cream, sweet tarts, lemon heads, bunch of candy. There's our hot Cheetos and hot Cheeto Puffs, double. Dr. Pepper, and sweet tea. roll. And Rice Krispies and a Monster. So, as you can see, all healthy, good stuff. Okay, first one is Rice Krispies, 16 count. That's the 8 count. There's a 16, but it's all dented. So, we'll use our height. Get our customer a good one. Next up, aisle 11 for Dr. Pepper, iced tea, and Monsters. Gold Peak, 0, 59 ounce. I'm pretty sure is that one. Monster Megas, 24 ounces. Well, because the cans look so weird, I see them already. Those are some big old bastards right there. Damn, you gotta be tired as fuck and drink one of those. Okay, Dr. Pepper, 12 pack. Soda aisle's the worst one to film in. Here by the party shit, party sizes. Flamin' Hot. There we go. These are both for A. I already looked. Okay, and then we need regular Cheetos, the Puffs. Or Flamin' Puffs. Oh my God, they're not out. I'm surprised. I lied. We gotta get candy, which is in the same aisle. So we moved the cart. Ropes, cherry punch ropes. There's rainbow punch. And, oh, cherry punch. Nice. I don't know which one that's for. We'll look. I think this one's on there too, so I'll just grab it. Let's see. Customer A. So one thing that sucks is you have to scroll. Well, it does that all the time, but you have to scroll all the way down again. Oh no, the other customer got the same thing. That's weird. So not the rainbow. The same exact thing. It's so weird. It's not like this is a super common item. Or maybe it is, I don't know. Maybe you Gen Zs like it, or I don't know. Okay, for B, and then we need lemon heads. I seen already. Bastard, go. I swear to God, this thing, I don't know if it's like the motion I make with the thumb or because I'm not letting it load. Okay, 5 minutes later, lemon heads. Which are here because they're full and nobody buys them. They're gross. Okay, aisle 4 and aisle 2, so we're off to the other side of the store. So we're about in the middle. Okay, aisle 2, home door water. Everybody is thirsty with the jugs, Jesus. Arrowhead jug. There's that big ass Arrowhead up there. 1 gallon. What are those? 3 liters? Well, unfortunately, I don't know the conversion rate, but let's see if this is on their list. Unavailable. Yeah, they got that one. That's fine. Darn, they don't have it. Which was funny because they're usually, I get Dasani and they're usually out of that one. Let's see. Item unavailable. Can't find it. They don't have that one either. Next customer, and it looks like he's saying Safeway water is fine, so we'll get him that. You need a Snapple Mango 32 ounce. Mango Madness 16, not 32. Okay, so we're gonna have to check the normal aisle on that one. They don't have it in the cold, and we need 4 cans of Modelo. One. No. Only one. Okay, I was going to contact the customer, but let's see if he has a sub. Oh, okay, so we got the Modelo 6 count. I'm sure it only wants one of those, not 4, which would be 24 beers. Let's see. Modelo. I'm not seeing it. Yep, and it's right in front of me. Ice cream and then the Snapple. Fires Neapolitan. That's an old favorite we don't see too often. Shit, do they even have it? Oh yeah, they do right here. Carb one. Shit. Oh, here we go. There's the regular. Okay, let's see if they got the big Snapples over here. Yes, they do. I see them already. Our last item. Keep forgetting you guys told me you can scan it anyway. We were here about, half hour. But I had to text and wait on subs too, so.
Now, scan item 1. If you have your check card, please scan it.
We ended up being probably about 35 minutes or so. But you guys also too understand when I'm trying to film, especially because I'm holding the phone, I will wait a few minutes for people to exit the aisles. That's what I had to wait like probably about 5 minutes in the soda or pop aisle because there was a bunch of people in there. They're already kind of staring at you. They don't want to be filmed, so I try to keep them out of it. And then also I got to use the restroom and then checking out the barcodes and ID for the alcohol. And so, it was about 35 minutes. It's not too bad. It's about a minute an item. So we got 4 minutes and about 1 mile for the first one, which is the non-alcohol. And get this thing wrapped up. We'll still be under an hour and making 26, 27 bucks. Wish they all were like this. Never know, maybe in the 70s or 80s or 90s it could be. Who knows? Who could ever get there? I guess I do know the one guy that's in the 90 percentile for AR. I haven't seen him in a while, so I'll ask him next time I see him. Should be, I think, the house with the light on. No way. Did a customer turn the light on? Nope. Oh, it's the one next to him. And they have their light on too. Oh, I feel spoiled. A tip and the light on? Oh, what the hell are we doing here? It's almost like some kind of program or something. This is the one with the water. Let's see how much of a beast I am. Nah, there's no way that's gonna hold. That's what I'm worried about. Okay, you're going to really want to remember where that is pointing. Trust me, you're going to want to remember where that finger's pointing. I got one more water for you. Sharp wipers. They put handles on water bottle things. Well, okay, well, that was a nice fall. Wonderful. Ugh. Can't break anything. I'm sure you got a funny. There we go. Jesus, I stepped in that fucking hole. Wonderful. One of those days.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
And since we have two angles, here's the other one. Ouch. And I get up quick like WWE, like it never happened. Take the picture.
And his name is John C.
Well, as you can see, and I don't know if I even got on camera. I don't know what I got, but yeah, I fell bad too. Thankfully, I didn't break anything. They had a big section next to their porch that just had dirt in it. And when I went and set the stupid waters, okay, well, that phone's full, so. Oh, God. Well, I don't know if you guys seen it or not. My back's been killing me bad lately, too. I've got really bad nerve damage. I got a broken disc in my back, actually two, and I have one in my neck. I need to have surgery, but I can't because I can't afford it and can't take the time off work. So, anyways, yeah, I fell and I got mud all over me, and there was a little pathway next to their porch where their concrete is that was like a garden bed or something, and it was so sopping wet and muddy, I stepped and my foot sunk down in it. And the phone just unbelievable. Oh, I don't think I got any of that shit. I thought I hit record or I didn't. I don't. Jesus, man. That guy was super cool that I just delivered the alcohol to. He was talking to me about, work and stuff. He worked at one of the Washington beef place where they like gut the cows and stuff. It's, oh my God, it stinks so bad out there. But anyways, I don't even know what the hell. That phone fell, the other phone fell, and I fell, and I'm all discombobulated now. This phone is full, so I don't even know if I got the story out yet, because I just barely was feeling okay after having a migraine for 2 days, being sick, and not being able to sleep due to my situation. Just always a shit show. Either the town or me are getting pulled over, man. I'm telling you. There could be, I'm like the black cloud, whatever I don't know what the hell the Charlie Brown is with the black cloud that runs by it. And you guys see it, and I don't even show you a tenth of what goes on, man. It's unbelievable. But I try to do it comedically, but at the same time, I don't want to sit here and just complain because somebody's got it worse, I'm sure. But I'm starting to lose it, guys. The harder I try, the worse they do. So I don't know what the hell's going on here, but we got another offer, by the way, right away after I dropped that off. He tipped $10, the alcohol guy. $13.25, 5.9 miles. It's another shopping order, different Safeway. 11 items, no cases of water, thankfully, because it is going to the apartment. So cases of water are cursed even if you're not going to an apartment. I even double checked that when I seen those on the other order. I was like, oh, cool, it's going to a house. I guess this time it didn't matter. I'm not majorly hurt, so at least I can like move. I mean, everything's sore, but what's new? I got half my headache back, but you guys don't come here to watch me whine. I mean, some of you probably do. And then there's a few of you that actually enjoy it because I enjoy your thumbs down every time I post a video, and 5 minutes after there's thumbs down, which I already know who it is. So, well, there's how much I sunk into the mud. That much. Wonderful. Ice cream, Coke, candy, donuts. Chips. Turkey something. Well, let's try that one. Nope, no one. Nope. Out of the donuts completely. They don't have that turkey sandwich. The other item, they just refunded her, so I'm thinking it might be an online or something. So we're gonna get this ice cream. Now we got a few of our items. Okay. That weirdo got her shit. Chocolate ice cream. That's the carb one again. Oh, here we go. How's everybody getting Briars tonight? We got this caramel dip, which I'm not sure. I think this is over with the fruit, maybe. I'm gonna check the deli real quick. It's just right here. Check the deli. I've seen this, I just don't know where. There's no aisle number. It's not over here. To be over here somewhere. But I just said makes sense, so. I have no clue where that is. Maybe it's out of stock. Like over other shit. Check yogurt, check the deli, check fruit. Where else could it be? I ended the thing and I turned around and I was looking at apples and I looked down and it's right there. Got it. Definitely a weird one. Why don't they just say that it's in fruit? No, that'd be too easy. We wouldn't want that. No text back. I text her pictures and everything. Pictures, notes, nothing. All right, I guess you're only getting half your order. Is she refund? Is she refund?
If you have your club card, please scan it now.
We're at 8 minutes, 3.6 miles. That fall just killed my mojo, man. My back is barking bad. I got twisted up. Underneath this too, my elbow's all scraped. I mean, I'll live. It could have been worse. I could have broke or twisted something where, it snapped. So, I mean, don't have a broken bone. Just hurt stuff that's already hurt and wasn't feeling that great to begin with. But what's new in my world? So this is going to the apartments, but it's the bottom floor. She never responded to any messages. She's probably gonna be pissed. I don't know. Shop orders sometimes, they usually don't affect your rating if they take over a certain amount of time. So I'm not quite sure, but hopefully she doesn't give me a shitty score because this took entirely too long. We got Piggy Pig right there. Yeah, go away. Bye-bye. Thank you. And call this shit show after me falling. That one last order just took way too long and we're just gonna end it, which sucks. We were on a good roll. I was kicking butt tonight, but just not there. You can see just burnt, crispy burnt. But what's new? So let's go over some numbers. Our little baby today was Grubhub with $13. Just the one from the Popeyes, which took forever and got ignored at. And then Uber Eats, $15. So we had the 2 orders. Little quick, short ones. Not too bad at all. And then Big Daddy, after, all of our shopping orders, was DoorDash, of course, $52. And shoot, those 2 with the one with the alcohol. I mean, there was that one with $30 almost. we turned on for dinner at 5:45, and I'm gonna call it about 10:30 when we dropped that other order off, somewhere around there. And then on the way back in, I counted all that mileage too. So we ended up doing 4 3/4 hours. So just under 5. The per hour was almost at $17, which is not out of this world, but not half bad. And then miles wise, I think it was only 24. I wanted to say, is it 24 or 29? It's on the phone, but I think it was 24 or something, 24.7 or something like that. So really low mileage. Yeah, it was 24 because I was thinking it was almost $3 a mile, basically. It's our total. I never said that. $79, which is really good. And our AR, we ended up at 63, I think. We made up a couple points. We were at 60. I dropped a little bit since the last filming. So, not a half bad night, especially for a Friday. I'm just dying. It was like someone took my back and went. So, we're going to end this. I'm not even going to blab tonight. Some decent orders, good tip on the alcohol guy. A nice fall for you to laugh, all my haters to have lots of fun and think it's funny. But overall, I'm alive, I guess, still. And go to sleep so I can do it all over again tomorrow. One of these days, maybe I'll be able to actually take a day off. Probably not. That being said, Mr. Devious Dasher, Mr. Devious Faller, Mr. I'm falling and I can't get up. I did get up, but anyways, I'm out of here. I'll shut the hell up. Y'all have a good night. I don't know when I'll post this. I don't know. I'm out. Bye.